Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a checkbox into a table on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your table on Canva or a spreadsheet, and then guys left click into the given cell. I will go with this one here, E4. Right click into given cell, choose insert or hover your mouse over it, and then choose checkbox. And that is going to insert in the checkbox so that you may now left click into the checkbox to select or unselect it. And if you'd like to create a checklist, what you want to do guys is use that handle in the bottom right, left click into it, hold the left mouse and then drag it to the bottom so that this checkbox here may be copied and pasted into all the remaining cells of that row. Alright, so for example, if you do that also with rows, click into that handle, drag it to the right, and that is going to insert these checkboxes also in all cells of the given row, creating a checklist so that you can now check or uncheck these points. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.